Greetings everyone. I Krish Singh with Yash Bansal are here to welcome you all to our layout of presentation Barakpur and Delhi Revolt of 1857. Our teacher in charge is Mrs. Sangeeta Dalila ma'am.
This is our history PBL layout presented by Team 1. Acknowledgement. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our teacher, Mrs. Sangeeta Dalila, who gave us the golden opportunity to do this wonderful project on the topic Barakpur and Delhi revolts of 1857, which also helped us in doing a lot of research and we came to know about so many new things. We are really thankful to them. Now first comes the Barakpur revolt, whose leader was Mangal Pandey. Topics to be covered in this revolt are timeline of Barakpur mutiny, what was Barakpur mutiny exactly, causes, how did Barakpur become the outbreak of 1857 revolt, major moments, success and failures, impact and the consequences.
Now let's start with the Delhi Revolt whose leader was Bahadur Shah Zafar and the General Bakht Khan, and the topics to be covered in this topic are the timeline of Delhi Revolt, what was Delhi Revolt exactly, its causes, how did it become the outbreak center of 1857 revolt, major movements, success and failures, impacts and consequences.
Bibliography platforms we have used are Canva, Zoho Show, InVideo, Slido, Kahoot, Nearpod, and Google Form. We have taken material from Google Chrome and YouTube.
Thank you, and here we are finished with the layout of our this presentation.
Greetings everyone. I Yash Bansal with my friend Krish Singh are here and we are going to continue with our presentation Barakpur and Delhi revolts of 1857.
This is our history project based learning activity.
First comes Barakpur mutiny, whose leader was Mangal Pandey.
We have created a short timeline which depicts Barakpur at three different times. So let's take a look over it. First images of Barakpur during 1857, 56. The second image is of Barakpur during 1857, and the third image is of today's Barakpur.
What was Barakpur mutiny exactly? In 1857, Mangal Pandey attacked British commanders and was tried by court. It was the first major incident which later came to be known as mutiny.
Now let's have a look on the causes of Barakpur mutiny. Problems of land revenue, destruction of economy, low position of Indians in administration, biased police and judiciary.
How was Barakpur became the outbreak of 1857 revolt? Explain. The event was happened because of introducing of infield rifle of hanging of Mangal Pandey, encouraging the fire of freedom in herds of million Indians. Thus, Barakpur became the outbreak of 18 Barakpur revolt of 1857.
Here are some of the major movements of Barakpur revolt. On 31st March, 19th Native Infantry disbanded. On 8th April, Mangal Pandey hanged at Barakpur, and on 2nd May, unrest at Ambala, 48th mutiny at Lucknow.
Success and failures of Barakpur revolt. Success. This was of independence marked the end of rule by British East India Company. Failure. The major failure of this revolt was that we lost our one true freedom fighter, which was hanged on 8th April, and even one Indian officer was hanged to death on 2nd April as he refused to arrest Mangal Pandey.
Now here are the impact of Barakpur mutiny. Army officers who belonged to Barakpur were suspended, leaders were hanged while others were imprisoned.
Consequences of Barakpur Mutiny. After the massacre, many sepoys deserted British service. The court of inquiry was set up to investigate the incident. All that is known about this report was that is agreed by the sepoy had justificable grievances.
Now let's start with the Delhi Revolt, whose leader were Bahadur Shah Zafar II and the General Bakht Khan.
We have created a short timeline for Delhi Revolt of 1857 as well. This is Delhi of 1856, this is Delhi of 1857, and this is today's Delhi.
What was Delhi Revolt exactly? Siege of Delhi from 8 June to 21st September 1857. The hard-fought recapture of Delhi by the British Army was a decisive moment in the suppression of the 1857 to 1858 Indian Mutiny against British rule.
Causes of Delhi Revolt. The reason for the Delhi Revolt of 1857 was the rumor spread related to cartridges of the Enfield rifle that is was made up of cow and pig fat.
How did Delhi become the outbreak of 1857 revolt? The rebellion against the authority of the East India Company was widespread through much of the North India, but essentially it was sparked by the mass uprising by the sepoys of the units of the army which the company had itself raised in its Bengal presidency.
Major movements of Delhi Revolt. On 8th May, troops of the 3rd Bengal Light Cavalry found guilty by court-martial and given several sentences. On 10th May, mutiny and murders of Meerut troops head towards Delhi. On 11th May, Europeans and Christians slaughtered at Delhi.
Success and failures of Delhi Revolt. Success. After the Indian Rebellion of 1857, the British exiled him from Delhi. Bahadur Shah Zafar was a noted Urdu poet, having written a number of Urdu ghazals. Failure. Though his rule could not compare with the illustrious ancestors like Akbar and Aurangzeb, he became the rallying point for the failed Indian uprising of 1857, when soldiers from the undivided India rose against the British East India Company.
Impact of Delhi Revolt. During the Ghadar of 1857, Indian sepoy and citizens rose against the East India Company and seized Delhi.
The siege of Delhi was one of the decisive conflicts of Indian Rebellion of 1857.
Consequences of Delhi Revolt. The first, the direct responsibility of Indian of administration of the country passed on to the British Crown. Second, raises feeling and suspicion between Indian and Europeans aggravated.
This presentation has been completed by the hard work and persistence of the following members, and they are Rich Singh, Yash Bansal, Abhinav Singhal, Aditi Gupta, Shreya Gupta, Siddhant Jain, Mahi Gupta, Neha Yadav, and Krish Gupta.
Hope you all liked our presentation and get to understand Barakpur and Delhi revolts in brief. Thank you.